Hello guys, welcome to Responsible Day Trading. My name is Cesar and I'm going to be doing this week's Monday rundown. Last week we had our scholarship winners, so congratulations to all of you that were selected. I hope you can make the most out of this curriculum. And for those who applied and were not selected, I will recommend you to take advantage of that big discount you got and make the investment to learn everything we have for you in this course. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. So right now let's move to the news and let's see what the market has for us this week. So today is Monday, October 23rd. We can see that we don't have any news for today, so it's going to be a good day to trade. Tomorrow we have this news at 8:45, so a little bit after the market opens, so we have plenty of time to make good decisions on the opening, and you just want to be careful when this happens. So for Wednesday we have this at 7 a.m. pre-market news, and then at 9 and 9:30 a.m. So again, we have good time to make good decisions. For Thursday we have this pre-market news and one at 9 a.m. And for Friday we just have these two news at pre-market. So it's going to be a good week to take trades. Probably the market's going to move a little bit because we have important news all week, so just be aware of that. But other than that, I think we have a good time to make good decisions in the market. So now let's see the charts and let's see what we have for today and for this week. So let's start with the daily chart. As we can see here, we have this divergence going to the upside, and we have this flag reversal happening right now. So the chances are that we can see a little turn to the upside, but we have to consider that the price is still below the EMAs, and also the MACDs are still below the zero line and pointing down. So what we could be expecting here is probably a retracement and eventually the price continuing to the downside, because we can see here the trend is still going to the downside, and all these indications being below the EMAs and below the zero line will indicate that we are going to continue to this area. Now let's move to the 28,657. So this is what we're seeing here in the 28,657. The trend is going to the downside, but the price is already over the slow EMA, and we can see that the BBs are over the zero line. So like we said here in the daily chart, probably this divergence to the upside is working out in the smaller tick chart. I mean, we can see here that we have this small trend changing the direction to the upside, and the MACDs going also to the upside and being over the zero line. So we're probably seeing this change of direction in the market, because we can see here as well we are outside the Bollinger Band. So this is showing us strength, and probably the price is going to continue in this direction, at least to reach to this EMA. And when the price gets to this area, we're going to be careful if it's going to use it as a resistance and turn to the downside, or if it's going to break it and use it as a support to continue to the upside. We can see that we have still strength in the EMAs, we have separation, but the price now is in between of the two EMAs. So we just have to be on the lookout and be careful if we want to take a trade in this area, because we can reach here and come back. So if we are considering a long, we will need to have more information to see where a good entrance to be. Same story in the 10,946. We can see that we have this trend to the downside. We are making this turn where we had this divergence to the upside. Now the price is changing direction, and we are over both the EMAs and over the zero line. So this is what matters to us if we are going to be taking a trade, because we are short time traders. So this is the information that we want to see. We have this confirmation of the price being over these indicators, the MACDs being over the zero line. so we can be more certain that the information that we're having is the most recent one and the one that we're going to use to take trades. Now let's see all the three charts and what's the information that we have. Alright, we have here our three trading charts. We can see how these MACDs are showing a lot of strength to the upside, and we can see in the 1597 and the 6th and in the 610 that the PBs are starting to change color, so probably we're seeing the end of this move to the upside. Also, we can see here that probably this is an indication for a snapback. I wouldn't be sure or confident to where to take a trade, because we can see here that we are seeing a change in direction in the 610, but still a little bit of strength in the 4181. This probably means that we are taking a break from this big run. Probably the price is going to go down to use this EMA as a support and then continue to the upside. We can see that there's a lot of strength going to the upside. The price really wants to move in that direction, so probably what we are going to see right now is price return to this area to take a little break, and then we can see we're probably going to see a change in direction and it's going to continue to the upside. As I said last week, the best thing we can do is just be patient, wait for all the information, and let's wait for all the charts to be in agreement to where the price wants to go, and then we can make a decision. I'm gonna wrap it up at this point. I hope you have a great week. I hope you make good decisions in the market this week, and that will be all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and don't forget to follow us in all social media. And if you have any question, please reach out to us. We're going to be more than happy to answer all those questions and to help you out to reach all those goals that you have in mind. So I hope to see you soon, and thank you so much.